Hey everyone, in today's video what we are going to do is we are going to configure a SIP device, so basically an extension on FreePBX, and register a soft phone with the FreePBX system, right? So I'll navigate to PBX over here, and then here by default you will see many options over here. So by default the first tab that opens is the first page that opens is add an extension. So I'll do one thing. I'll in the device, right, I'm not going to choose anything else, so because I'm going to add a generic SIP device and click on submit. Now here is a user extension, so this extension is going to be the number what the user is going to use in order to make or receive calls, right? So we are going to put it as 50,001 for example, right? And then it is asking you for a display name, so we'll put it display name user A, and then it is asking for some other information. We'll keep them as default. It is asking for outbound CID, which is a caller ID, what format of the caller ID you want to use in case when you're making a call. So we are not going to touch these parameters because we are whole and sole purpose is to basically test the call routing between call manager and Asterisk, right? So this parameters I'm not going to touch and explain. So let's go down, and here it is asking me for a secret code here, so I'm going to put it as secret code as SIP @ 50,001, right? So once you add this information over here, the secret, so this secret will be used in order to register the soft phone. So go down, you have some other recording options over here. So if you want to record, go ahead and record. If you want to enable voicemail, go ahead and click on enable, otherwise you can keep it as disable. So I'll not change any of this parameter over here. I'll click on submit and apply configuration. Now what I'll do is I'll open my MicroSIP and register this MicroSIP with the Asterisk. So let me open this. So what I'll do is I'll come here and then click on edit account, and then here let me type this as user A maybe, and then here you need to enter the Asterisk IP address. So I'll make it as 172.168.0.56, and then username is going to be the extension, so I'll put it this extension, and here domain I'll put it the Asterisk IP address again, and here it is asking me for login. I'll keep it as 50,001, and the password is what we have configured, and click on save. So once you do that, if you notice, right, we are able to register this SIP device to the Asterisk. So in order to verify, right, what you can do is you can log into the Asterisk and verify this on the Asterisk itself. Let's see how can we verify. I'll log in as root, enter the password, and I'll enter the command as asterisk -rvv, and then here I'll enter the command SIP show. Now if you see here, if you enter this command SIP show, it will give you the list of the users or numbers what are registered or channels what are registered. Maybe I'll type users. So if you see here, there's a username with this secret, and the context is internal. Now let's see SIP show PS. Now if you enter this command SIP show PS, right, we know like we are talking about 50,001, and 50,001 is currently in this particular host, which is my system's MAC address, and it is currently reachable, which means it is registered. If you see the status as OK1MS, so it is registered. If I disable the registration, so it should go offline. Okay, so if you see right now the status has changed to unknown from OK, right? So this is how you get to know if the device is registered or not. If I make it registered again, the status should come up online. If you see, it says 1 SIP PS monitor, 0 online, 1 offline. This is the earlier message, and then the latest message what we have got is PR 50001 is reachable, 1 ms, 200 ms. So if I enter the command ship show PS, it should show me the status back to OK and the IP address of your device. So this is how you register your third-party endpoints. So as I mentioned, like I'm not going to explain like what exactly are the parameters in the extension, because our main purpose or main intention is to route the calls between call manager and Asterisk and see how this the call routing works, right? So maybe in the upcoming videos I'll try to explain what are the parameters in the extension that you need to configure or you need to be careful about, right? I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching.